रही हैं केज की तरफ। काफी एक्सपीरियंस फाइटर हैं कोच इशिका, लेकिन इशिका को कुछ नया दिखाना पड़ेगा हमें केज में, क्योंकि जोजो से लड़ना आसान नहीं है।
I'm sure this is the, see, like I said, I'm just sitting and enjoying what I'm seeing here right now. So these matchups are so interesting because I want to see what an experienced person like Ishika as a fighter, how can she handle this young blood, Jojo Rajkumari? How is Ishika going to welcome Jojo into this cage?
Absolutely. Let's look at the keys to victory for Ishika. She stays patient, she has good combinations, and she likes to finish the fight on the ground.
Patience is the key for Ishika here. She'll need to keep her patience, she'll need to keep a cool head, but Jojo's coming all guns blazing.
How difficult has it been to find women fighters, coach, and also to see whether they can perform at the expectations? Today has been a very, very exceeding expectations day. अभी ये डाउनर नहीं होना चाहिए, तो लड़कियों ने भी देख लिया, you know, I think अलग जोश होगा. For you must be very tough to set up a fight card with the girls.
I think we are getting in a position, in fact, into a very good position where female fighting is not a subject that it's not a taboo subject anymore. And these girls are coming out all guns blazing. These girls understand the value of a professional scale.
Right, let's look at the tail of the tape. Jojo is from Manipur, Ishika is from Gujarat. Jojo is 25, Ishika is 32, and Jojo has a slight reach advantage, and Ishika is about 700 grams heavier.
You know, Manan, the best part about this tale of the tape is, for me, when they say the style is MMA, there used to be a time when there used to be a style of karate and a style of boxing.
Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of the blue corner, she weighed in at 51.4 kilograms, representing Manipur. Give it up for the Cobra Queen, Jojo Rajkumari. And her opponent fighting out of the red corner, she weighed in at 52.2 kilograms, representing Gujarat, Ishika Dite. Ladies and gentlemen, the referee for the fight, Ranjit.
Blue, red. Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, and back to your corner.
All right, everyone's waiting. We got a nice audience there. Aisha Shroff there, of course, the promoter. Sara Tendulkar also making way, probably telling her dad, I'm watching now some MMA, so that's going to be fun. Be nice to have Sachin sir also come one day, and Zenia Bhosle as well. So we got a big star-studded lineup outside as well, sir.
Yeah, we got a great fan following with MFN, and that's what we're trying to do here. Everybody get hooked onto MMA. Here we go, round one.
पहले 30 seconds, Jojo always बहुत प्रहार करती है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा sizing up each other.
Whoever lands the first shot, shot.
Jojo is charging.
But Ishita holding ground.
Like they say, Salil, it's in the eyes. Watch.
Jojo lands hard shots.
Jojo's already
can
shaken
hear it
up
all
Ishika.
the way here at the commentary box.
To the
Dynamite punches
hard
there,
shots.
dynamite.
And like I said, Salil, experience is what Ishika has, but she needs to be smart about this. She can't take these shots too long.
Jojo is feeling really confident right now. Jojo के नाम के नारे लग रहे हैं केज के बाहर.
और Ishika अपनी थोड़ी breath को control करेगी. And once again, she's coming in strong. Ishika
is clinching up. But it does not work for her. Jojo slams her on the ground. We saw that in her keys to victory, that she loves doing the slam. Now let's see what happens on the
First 1
ground.
minute has been
I'm excited.
dominated.
I'm excited to see what Ishika does from her back. She's already got a half guard on. Okay, it's full mount for Jojo. Bad position for Ishika if she doesn't turn this on.
Jojo needs to patiently hold on to this position before she tries anything. And then if she starts unleashing hell, if she starts throwing punches and elbows, this could be it.
What I'm seeing from Jojo is a lot of composure from her last fight. In her last fight, she was very, very aggressive, probably when she was new, trying to prove a point.
Also against a superior opponent, as what everybody thought.
And look at her, she's already improved so much. She's come to a position where she's fighting like a pro, like they say.
If she manages to land a few punches right
Oh,
now,
and
to
she's
be
gone
over
for an
and out.
armbar.
Got an armbar.
And she has it. She has
might
it.
be tight.
And she's tapping.
She taps out.
Ishika taps in the first round. We still had 3 minutes to go on the clock.
I told you guys, Jojo is coming all guns blazing. And what a win for Jojo.
But good
That-
camaraderie there. Good camaraderie there. Jojo doing what everybody expected her to do. But Ishika, no love lost over there. She tried her level best.
Like I said, these girls coming up to this stage is an honor in itself for our promotion. And what Jojo has done here, secured an armbar. What a victory for Jojo.
What a fight, what a fight. Probably the fastest finish so far in MFN 7. Last time, Alan sir, when I saw Jojo's fight, I said one thing at the end of her fight, that a new superstar has been born today.
Guys, I called it. I said she thinks she is the Rajkumari of
And she
MFN.
is.
And she's already on her way to prove that.
And you called it well, Alan sir. Thank you so much. It's been quite a pleasure having you in. And I know that you were missing this. It was good to have you in the studio with us.
Thank you guys, my pleasure. Have fun for the rest of the fights.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much,
Coach.
Manan. It's been great having you as well. You have all the experience. I'm going to get Rahul back in to the studios with us in the comp box. And all right, we've got a clear winner there. No need to go to any judges on this decision. Jojo hardly breaking a sweat there. And this is exactly what everyone expected. There was not that much of a difference. Ishika had the experience, but unfortunately not being able to fight against the big power. Rahul, you've been watching on the sides. Power play there by Jojo, don't you think?
Thank you so much, Salil. Indeed, yes. What a fantastic bout this was. Ladies and gentlemen,
Sportsmanship at its
tonight
best there.
it's a big win for women's MMA in the country. Over to Jared.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee calls stop to this contest in 1 minute and 57 seconds of the first round, declaring the winner, submission by the armbar, Jojo Rajkumari. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cobra Queen.
Wow, Jojo, congratulations. Girl power, woman power, congratulations. So proud of you. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Please come. How are you feeling? इतने कम time में. कैसा लग रहा है आपको इतने कम टाइम में? क्या आपने सोचा था कि ऐसा होगा?
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯝꯕꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ 30 ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯇꯦꯛ ꯗꯥꯎꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ MFL 7ꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯃꯔ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ. I'm so happy. Thank you so much MFL. Or Alex sir, thank you so much. Mathangi next fight asu sidagi hena performance fazaba hena utpa ngamba oijage. Thank you so much all.
मैं और मेरा टीम का पहले से प्लानिंग था कि हम टेक डाउन करके उसको फिनिश करने के लिए. तो अभी उसने MFL 7 पे अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिखाया उसके लिए. इसके लिए काफ़ी खुश है और एलियन सर और MFL टीम को भी थैंक्स कर रहा है और कुछ बोलना चाहता है.
Manipurda laiba mayam punnamusu aingonda support tawidamata tagachari aduga aigi mangda lipiriba aigi master Rosal mainambusu hiningai tena tagachari manasu yamna BJJ da mana kannai hotnabibagi sigi keno ambar loksi taba ngamimne do Armex team Shagi Jim family singbu. Thank you so much. Matungda sidayana Jimjigi medal lawba ngamba Manipuri michat phangba oijage.
और जो उस मेरा फाइट देख रहा है जो मणिपुर से और जो टीममेट है और वो खुद मैं उसका कोच हूँ मेरे को बोल रहा है कि काफ़ी खुश है उसका गेम ग्राउंड में इम्प्रूव करने का कि हमारे साथ हेल्प करने का टीम में ट्रेनिंग के लिए काफ़ी खुश है.
और मणिपुर मैनेजर Darupendu Sharma ngasi magi birthday ki gifts aingonda champion oy hare ado ai ngasi champion oy ba phange. Happy birthday Darupendu Sharma manager.
जो आज उसका जो फाइट मेकर है उसके बर्थडे है, उसका बर्थडे गिफ्ट फाइट जीत के दिया है, इसलिए हैप्पी बर्थडे विश कर रहा है फिर से रुपेंद्र शर्मा को। थैंक यू।
Wow, that is some happy birthday wish. That is some, oh. Thank you. Congratulations, girl pa. So proud of you. And congratulations.